So I've been using this ICEPURE filter for my kitchen sink. So far, I like the filter system, meaning that it's really easy to install. It comes with this installation piece of, I guess, template that you kind of place onto the cabinetry and just follow the step to install. Super easy, and it's very simple to install. Anybody can do it. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the water line itself, it's you got to connect to the cold water. They don't recommend hot water, obviously, because it's drinking water. So it gets confusing in a little bit. You got to know what comes in when what goes out. The other aspect of it, you could change the filter really easily. It's just twist and turn and pull. Same thing with the cabling here, the water lines. It's one of those pinch, turn, and it comes right off, pops right off. So far the water has tasted a little bit different than the normal tap water. I do like it, but I don't know how long the filter will last or when it's required changing. So I have to see what the recommendations are when that will, requires a change of the filter. Good thing about it, it's fairly inexpensive compared to the other one, and it's very, very convenient. So yeah, so there you go.